guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going straight into the topic about women who don't want to marry. Now I'm going to talk about the Igbo people, okay, not just Nigeria as a whole. I know that Nigeria as a whole has this problem, but I'm focusing on the Igbo because I'm Igbo, okay. Now if you want to see it for Yoruba, Hausa or whatever, no problem. Okay, so I'm going to talk about this topic where it comes to getting married, not getting married, you know, and all that. In the Igbo culture, we always see marriage as the highest attainment for a woman, sometimes for a man. So if you're not married, you're nothing basically in the society. You have no say in the society. When people are being called women of value, women of prestige are being called, you're not going to be called because you're not married, so you have nothing valuable to say. So even if you're a businesswoman, you have your own company, you're a PhD holder, you know, you're a master's degree holder, you have built many things, you've helped many children, you're a pastor or a minister or whatever, it doesn't matter. As long as you're not a Mrs. If that name Mrs. is not there, you're not really respected as you should be, okay? So no matter your attainment, you're basically nothing. Now, is that the same for a man? No, it's not. In our culture, as a man, you're just a man, that's it. Unless maybe when it comes to certain family matters or family meetings. But most times they look at it based on money. If you have money, you have something valuable to say, not really about marriage. But ours, even if you have all the money and you're not married, you will still be laughed at or seen as someone who is not serious. So, how about your own culture? Is this the same or doesn't it matter? Now, we need to understand that pressure should not be put on women. Why? Because marriage is not everything. Some people are married based on arrangement. Some people are married but they're not happy. Some people are married and every day their husband is cheating on them, or they're being beaten up, or they are cheating on their husband. You never know. But they will come out and smile on social media. You see the smile, the outfits, the makeup, the hair, the cars, the shopping and all that. But you don't know what's going on within the marriage. You can never ever know. So on the wedding day, we come, we eat, we dance, we take photos and we go. That's it. We don't care what's going on in their marriage. As long as that person is now a Mrs. and has a ring, that's all that matters. But it shouldn't be. It's not right. Because some people can actually live a healthy lifestyle, a valuable life as single people. Now, this brings me down to what I want to really talk about and get across. Many married people are not happy. On the other hand, many are happy. Many single people are not happy, many are also happy. Some people, some women don't want to have children, number one. Some women want to have children but don't want to get married, number two. Some women want to get married but don't want to have children. And of course, some want to get married and want to have children. So which category do you fall in? Which category does your friend fall in? Your child, your cousin, sisters, whatever. You need to talk to them to understand. And if someone says, I don't want to have children, don't ask why. Really? No, it's not a disease, it's just a choice. The same way you are surprised and have your choice that you want children, they should be had. This person believes that they don't have to be had, okay? They don't want it. That's it. Simple and short. Yeah, simple as that. You might ask, maybe out of curiosity, oh really, why? You know, I want children because of these reasons. How about you? Be open-minded to understand a bit more where they're coming from. Because not everyone will get married. Not everyone will have kids. It's as simple as that. Okay? So, if you see someone who says, I don't want to get married. Listen, the person is not an alien. There's nothing new there. Yes, the person doesn't want to. They have their reasons. Now, if it's based out of fear, there are many ways to help them get over the fear or understand that not all men are like that. Not all marriages will be like that. Maybe it's based on how they grew up, what they saw their father or their mothers like, what they saw in their neighbors or friends. So it's a bit different. But if the person just says, I just don't see myself with someone else, sharing my space, my life with someone else, I don't want it. End of story. They don't want it is they don't want it. If you want it, perfect, lovely, amazing. They don't want it. So don't push your opinions upon them. Don't see them as outcasts or aliens just because they don't want to get married. Not everyone wants to, okay? So saying this, I am obviously married and I definitely want kids, so mine is different. But if I see someone that doesn't, okay, now no problem, it's your life. If later you're 35, 40 and you change your mind, perfect, date, find someone. It's never too late. I've seen 70-year-olds getting married. Yeah, maybe it'll be too late to have kids, but you can adopt. You can always shower your love on your own siblings' kids, your nieces and nephews, and friends' kids. It's as simple as that. So anything it is you need in life to be happy, do it, as long as it doesn't affect the next person. Okay, it's as simple as that. And as long as it's not a taboo, or like really a taboo, like some things I don't want to talk about. But if it's just what someone thinks is a taboo, like having twins, or you know, like back in the days, or not getting married, that's different. That's opinionated. That's based on someone's opinion, not on real taboo or real fact. Okay, so you that's watching, do you want to get married? Type it in the comment section. What do you think about this topic? Do you see someone that doesn't want to have kids as someone who doesn't know what they're saying? If you see a married person, do you give them more respect than you would give to a woman who is not married? Or for example, when you see a couple walking, do you say hello to the man first, or do you actually say hello to the woman? So these kind of things, we might have this bias and we don't even know because it's coming unconsciously based on our society and the things we hear. Please, the gist of this, the summary of what I'm saying is, not everyone must get married. It's said in the Bible as well. If you want to get married, do so. If you don't want to get married and you can be alone, lovely. Okay, I think I put it the wrong way there, but that's the gist of it. So Nigerians, Igbo people, think about this perspective because it actually exists. All right, okay, then I'll be waiting for your comments and I'll be there to reply. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.